陽子たちとちょうどそれ見終わった時電話がかかってきて、無言電話だったみたいだけど。さ、変なビデオ見ちゃって。
どこで？
陽子たちとちょうどそれ見終わった時電話がかかってきて、無言電話だったみたいだけど。
I also had to review these questions from yesterday's lecture that I created during my active recall session, and as you can see, I'm doing really terrible at it. I just usually categorize the questions that I know without a doubt. I categorize them by green. The questions that I'm having trouble recalling, I categorize that as red so that I know I need to improve on those. And finally, the questions that I know partly and not fully, I categorize them as yellow. That is a visual representation of what I need to practice more and what I do not need to focus on. This is usually the best part, checking off what I've done for the day, and it just makes me feel so accomplished, so productive. Yeah, I'm gonna do the rest of these tomorrow. Ooh, I look so oily. Oh my days. Right now it's about 11 p.m. right there, and I'm just now finishing studying for the day. If you watched my morning routine, I took you guys through with me throughout my morning and studying for the day, doing all the assigned readings for my classes, and today is going to be kind of like a piggyback for what I usually do for my evening routines, whereby after the whole morning and afternoon of studying the content for the first time, during the evening is when I try to review the content and review back on my textbooks, doing any assignments, and also creating my active recall questions, just like you've seen. These are all the questions I usually create from me reviewing the contents that the professor taught in class. And by reviewing that, I then create questions so that I can later on review when I'm preparing for exams and so forth. And if you want to know more about my study routine, I'm going to attach an end card for my study routine video that I did the other day. Right now I'm just gonna create my to-do list for tomorrow, get prepared for tomorrow's workload so that I can know what I'm waking up to, if that makes sense. As you can see, I have blank here. Today's the 23rd. I have blank on the 24th, 25th, and 26th. So I'm just gonna try and get my life together to know what I'm doing for those days. Okay, let's get it. This is what my calendar looks like now after I input all the dates for this coming week. And this is how my active recall sheets dates look like after I put in the dates for when I need to be doing my active recalls. And that's about it. We are done for the night, finally. Oh my days. Like, I feel like my head is busting full of information.